Introducing the all-new Honda Accord 2025, a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology. This premium sedan features a sleek and modern design with sharp LED headlights, signature alloy wheels, and a bold front grille that commands attention. Under the hood, it offers two engine options: a powerful 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine and a 2.0-liter hybrid for those who want fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. The interior is where the Accord truly shines. It comes with a fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, leather seats, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof for added luxury. When it comes to safety, the Accord 2025 is loaded with features like 10 airbags, ABS with EBD, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and collision mitigation braking system. Expect a fuel average of 14 to 22 kilometers per liter, depending on the variant, making it efficient for both city and highway drives. With an expected price range of 1.35 to 1.6 crore Pakistani rupees, the new Honda Accord competes with Toyota Camry, Hyundai Sonata, and Kia K5 in the Pakistani market. So, is the Honda Accord 2025 the right luxury sedan for you? Let us know in the comments below.